How to redeem codes in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you are on the main lobby screen, tap on the top right corner of the screen. In the bottom right, you will see the settings icon. Tap on it to open the game settings menu. In the settings menu, go to the account section and here you will find the redeem code option. Tap on it to open the code redemption interface. Next, carefully enter the code you have into the provided text box. Make sure there are no extra spaces or errors when typing the code as this can prevent it from being accepted. After entering the code, tap the Use button. If the code is valid, you will receive a notification that your rewards has been successfully claimed and the items will be added directly to your inventory. You can redeem multiple codes if you have more than one, but be sure to use them before their expiration dates. Redeeming codes regularly is a great way to boost your progress, obtain exclusive reward, and strengthen your characters in solo leveling Arise. Now you know how to redeem codes in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.